Okay. Now what we need to do is add URL action references for both logout and login. To do that, in the href tag property for logout, type URL space then type logout inside quotation marks. If we go to the URL s.py file, we will see that the name property for the logout path is defined as logout. So, we are passing the same value here as we defined in the name property for logout in the URL s.py file. Now we will provide the home URL for login in the same way. Okay, the login and logout logic implementation is complete as per our plan. Now, it's time to test. So, let's first activate our virtual environment. I hope we all know how to activate a virtual environment now. Okay, our virtual environment is active. Now we need to run the server. And to do that, go inside our project folder and type python manage.py then type run server and hit enter. Okay, our development server has run successfully. Let's run the project in the browser. Yes, the project has run successfully and the user is already logged in. So let's log out. Look, the logout confirmation message is shown here. Now let's try to log in. First we will try with the wrong username. See invalid username or password message showing. Now let's try to log in by leaving both the username and password fields blank. Here I see a warning message showing for the username field. Now try to log in by filling in the username field and leaving the password field blank. Here too, a warning message is being shown for the password. Now let's try to log in with the actual username and password. Wow! Great! We were able to log in successfully and we can see a confirmation message and logout link visible as well. Let's click on the logout link. Yes, the logout worked successfully. See here too we see the login link and logout confirmation message. So finally we have successfully completed the login and logout functionality. So what we have done so far is, we have set up the project on both Windows and Mac OS platforms, then we have set up and configured the database, then we have set up the repository on GitHub in the easiest way for our project and implemented the login and logout functionality in this tutorial. In the next tutorial we will do the user registration. This user registration task will be a little complex but I will try to show it as simply as possible. So, if you are not subscribed to the channel yet, and if you want to get real-life project tutorials on machine learning, AI, deep learning, data engineering and data analysis, then subscribe to the channel. If you have any suggestions or opinions, please let me know in the comments. Or you can let me know what other topics you would like to get tutorials on. I will try my best to make the tutorials very easy and simple, and definitely all tutorials will be based on real-life project. So, hope to see you in the next tutorial.